Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence has changed the way we conduct interviews? We've witnessed a fascinating evolution of technology over the years. From the invention of the wheel to the development of the internet, technology has always been a game changer. It has revolutionized various aspects of our lives, including how we communicate, how we work, and even how we find work. In the realm of job interviews, we've moved from face-to-face interviews to phone calls, then to video calls, and now we're stepping into an era where artificial intelligence, or AI, holds the reins. Yes, you heard it right. AI is not just about robots and self-driving cars. It's also about reshaping the way we conduct interviews. AI-powered interviews are not a futuristic concept. They're happening right now. They're a convergence of technology and human interaction, where candidates showcase their skills, knowledge, and personality traits not to a human interviewer, but to an AI system. These AI systems come in different forms. Some are chatbots that engage candidates in text-based conversations, while others are voice assistants that analyze speech patterns, tone, and content of responses. There are also video interviews with AI analysis that incorporate visual cues like facial expressions and body language. For technical roles, AI presents coding challenges or technical questions, assesses the solutions, and provides feedback. This approach allows recruiters to evaluate a candidate's technical proficiency in a structured and objective manner. AI interviews provide consistency, scalability, and a comprehensive understanding of each candidate's strengths and weaknesses. But they also raise concerns about bias and fairness and the comfort level of candidates interacting with AI systems. As we move forward, AI interviews will continue to evolve. We might see more sophisticated natural language processing capabilities, emotional intelligence assessment, and personalized feedback mechanisms. So let's buckle up and get ready to explore the intriguing world of AI interviews. This journey might just change the way we think about recruitment, technology, and the intersection of the two. Artificial intelligence has given rise to several unique forms of interviews. Let's take a closer look at these innovations to better understand this evolving landscape. First up, we have chatbot interviews. Picture this. You're having a text-based conversation with a system that feels just like you're chatting with a human. These AI-driven chat systems pose questions and evaluate your responses. They're designed to simulate human-like conversation, giving candidates a seamless experience while offering valuable insights for recruiters. They're like the perfect interviewers, always on point, never tiring, and capable of interviewing countless candidates simultaneously. Next, we have voice assistant interviews. Imagine having a spoken conversation with an AI, much like you would with Alexa or Siri. These interactions aren't just about answering questions correctly. They're also about how you answer them. The AI analyzes your speech patterns, tone, and the content of your responses. This offers recruiters a more in-depth understanding of your communication skills and personality. It's like having a conversation, but with a twist. Your conversation partner is an AI, listening not just to what you say, but how you say it. Then there are video interviews with AI analysis. Here, the AI brings in a visual dimension, scrutinizing your facial expressions, body language, and speech patterns. It's about understanding the candidate's demeanor and emotional intelligence. The AI isn't just listening and reading, it's also watching, offering recruiters additional insights that go beyond the spoken or written word. For those eyeing technical roles, AI has something special in store. It can present coding challenges or technical questions, assess your solutions, and provide feedback. This method allows recruiters to evaluate your technical proficiency in a structured and objective manner. It's like having a tech-savvy mentor who not only poses challenges but also offers constructive feedback. Each of these AI interviews brings its own advantages to the table. Chatbot interviews, for instance, offer scalability and consistency. They can engage with multiple candidates at once, asking the same questions in the same manner, ensuring a level playing field for all. Voice assistant interviews can delve deeper into a candidate's communication skills and personality traits. Video interviews with AI analysis can offer insights into a candidate's emotional intelligence, providing a more holistic understanding. And technical challenges. They provide a platform for candidates to demonstrate their technical prowess in real time. However, as exciting as these advancements are, it's critical to remember that AI interviews are not without their challenges. For instance, there's the risk of AI algorithms perpetuating existing biases in the hiring process, or the discomfort some candidates might feel when interacting with an AI system rather than a human. There's also the question of fairness and transparency, as AI algorithms can sometimes be a black box, making it difficult to understand how they arrive at their decisions. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI interviews are hard to ignore. They offer an efficient, consistent, and insightful way to conduct interviews, which can ultimately lead to better hiring decisions. But as we continue to navigate this new frontier, it's crucial to approach AI interviews with caution, ensuring they are fair, transparent, and respectful of candidates' rights and preferences. In the end, the rise of AI interviews is a testament to the power and potential of artificial intelligence. They represent an exciting development in the field of recruitment, promising a future where interviews are not just about questions and answers, but about understanding, empathy, and fairness. Each of these AI interviews brings its own advantages to the table. As we continue to explore and refine these technologies, the possibilities are truly endless. AI interviews offer several significant benefits over traditional interviews. So, let's dive into these advantages that make AI interviews a powerful tool in the recruitment process. First and foremost, AI interviews provide consistency. In traditional interviews, different interviewers might have different standards or biases, consciously or unconsciously. This inconsistency can lead to unfair evaluations and missed opportunities. AI interviews, on the other hand, ensure that each candidate is assessed based on the same criteria, eliminating human bias and providing a level playing field. The AI doesn't care if it's Monday morning or Friday afternoon, or if the interviewer had a bad day. It evaluates each candidate objectively, based on predefined parameters. Secondly, AI interviews are scalable. In the traditional hiring process, the number of candidates that can be interviewed is limited by the time and resources available to the human recruiters. This limitation often forces recruiters to rely heavily on resumes and cover letters, which may not fully reflect a candidate's abilities or potential. AI interviews, however, can be conducted with a large number of candidates simultaneously, regardless of geographical boundaries. This scalability allows recruiters to cast a wider net, reaching out to more potential candidates and making the hiring process more efficient. Thirdly, AI interviews have the ability to analyze data points that humans might overlook. For instance, in a video AI interview, the system can analyze facial expressions, body language, and speech patterns, providing recruiters with a deeper understanding of the candidate's communication skills and emotional intelligence. Similarly, for technical roles, AI can evaluate a candidate's coding skills or problem-solving approach in a more structured and objective manner than a human interviewer might be able to. These insights can help recruiters make more informed decisions and identify candidates who are truly the best fit for the role. Moreover, AI interviews can provide immediate feedback. Unlike traditional interviews where candidates often have to wait for days or even weeks to hear back, AI interviews can provide instant results and feedback. Not only does this speed up the hiring process, but it also gives candidates valuable insights into their performances, helping them understand their strengths and areas for improvement. Lastly, AI interviews can reduce the cost of hiring. By automating the initial screening and interview process, companies can save a significant amount of time and resources that would otherwise be spent on scheduling, conducting, and evaluating interviews. This efficiency can translate into substantial cost savings, making AI interviews a cost-effective option for companies of all sizes. However, it's important to remember that AI interviews are not a replacement for human interaction, but rather a tool to enhance the recruitment process. The insights gained from AI interviews can provide valuable inputs for the subsequent stages of the hiring process, where human recruiters can further evaluate the candidates in a more personalized and nuanced manner. In conclusion, AI interviews bring a lot to the table. They offer consistency, scalability, and a depth of analysis that can be hard to achieve in traditional interviews. They can provide instant feedback and potentially reduce the cost of hiring. These advantages make AI interviews an attractive option for recruiters. However, as with any technology, it's crucial to use AI interviews responsibly and ethically, ensuring fairness and transparency at every step of the process. With the right approach, AI interviews can indeed revolutionize the way we hire, making the process more efficient, fair, and insightful. Despite the advantages, AI interviews do raise some concerns. As we delve into the world of artificial intelligence interviews, it's essential to consider the flip side of the coin. While AI interviews offer a host of benefits, they also come with potential issues that need to be addressed. One of the most significant concerns is the risk of bias and fairness. You might ask, how can a machine be biased? Well, remember that AI algorithms are built by humans and trained on human-generated data. This means they can inadvertently perpetuate any existing biases present in the data they were trained on. For example, if an AI system is trained on data mostly from male candidates, it may unintentionally favor male responses. This could result in a bias against female candidates or those from different backgrounds, thus compromising the fairness of the interview process. Another concern is the discomfort some candidates may feel when interacting with AI systems. Let's face it, not everyone is a tech enthusiast. Some people might feel unease or even anxiety when asked to engage in a conversation with a machine. They might feel that their responses are being coldly analyzed by an emotionless entity, which could potentially impact their performance during the interview. This discomfort could also lead to a skewed perception of the company, making it less appealing to potential candidates. Moreover, there's also the question of transparency. While AI systems can analyze a multitude of data points and provide insights that might be missed by human recruiters, they are still essentially black boxes. It's often not clear how they make certain decisions or assessments. This lack of transparency can lead to skepticism and mistrust among candidates, who may feel that they're being evaluated based on criteria they don't fully understand. The issue of privacy is another sticking point. With AI systems capable of analyzing everything from speech patterns to facial expressions, there's a risk of infringing on candidates' privacy. How is this data being stored? Who has access to it? What measures are in place to ensure its security? These are valid questions that need answering to alleviate concerns around privacy. Lastly, there's the risk of over-reliance on AI. While AI can offer a more efficient and streamlined interview process, it's important to remember that it's not infallible. AI systems can make mistakes, and they lack the human touch that can often make or break an interview. Relying solely on AI for interviews could result in missed opportunities to connect with candidates on a human level, which could potentially lead to less informed hiring decisions. Addressing these concerns is crucial to ensuring the effectiveness and fairness of AI interviews. While AI can undoubtedly enhance the interview process, it's important that its integration is done thoughtfully and responsibly. This means ensuring that the AI systems are trained on diverse and representative datasets to minimize bias, providing candidates with clear information about how they will be assessed, and maintaining a balance between AI and human involvement in the hiring process. By addressing these issues head-on, companies can leverage the power of AI to transform their recruitment process while ensuring a fair, transparent, and respectful experience for all candidates. In the next scene, we'll explore the future of AI interviews and the exciting developments that lie ahead. So, stay tuned. As AI technology continues to evolve, so too will AI interviews. The future of AI interviews is indeed promising, with advancements that could redefine the way we perceive and conduct recruitment processes. Imagine the possibilities. As we move forward, AI systems could have a more sophisticated natural language processing capability. This means that AI will not just understand the words we say, but also the intent and sentiment behind those words. It could comprehend sarcasm, humor, and other subtleties of human conversation. This advancement could make AI interviews feel more human-like, bridging the gap between man and machine. Emotional intelligence assessment is another exciting future development. Currently, AI can analyze facial expressions, body language, and tone of voice. However, the next frontier is understanding and interpreting the subtle emotional cues that humans naturally emit during conversation. AI might be able to detect a candidate's enthusiasm for a role or their nervousness when discussing a particular topic. This could give recruiters a deeper understanding of a candidate's emotional intelligence, a trait that's increasingly viewed as crucial in the workplace. Moreover, the potential for personalized feedback mechanisms in AI interviews is vast. AI could provide candidates with detailed feedback based on their performance, pinpointing areas where they excelled and where they need improvement. This feedback could be tailored to each candidate's unique responses and behaviors during the interview, making it a powerful tool for personal growth and development. But what else could the future hold? Perhaps we'll see AI systems that can adapt their interview style and questions to the candidate. For example, if a candidate is more comfortable discussing their experiences in a narrative format, the AI could shift its line of questioning to accommodate that preference. Or if the AI detects that a candidate is nervous, it could adjust its tone or pace to help put the candidate at ease. Moreover, AI interviews might even become a two-way street. Candidates could have the opportunity to ask the AI system questions about the company culture, the role, or the team they'll be working with. The AI could draw on a vast database of information to provide accurate and insightful responses, giving candidates a deeper understanding of the company and the role. Now, all these advancements don't come without challenges. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's crucial to ensure that these systems are fair and unbiased. We must continually scrutinize and refine the algorithms that drive these systems to prevent any form of discrimination or bias. We must also ensure that the data used to train these AI systems is diverse and representative of the global talent pool. And let's not forget about the human touch. While AI can offer efficiency and consistency, it's essential to remember that interviews are also about establishing a human connection. As we move towards a future dominated by AI interviews, we must find ways to retain the warmth, empathy, and personal connection that define the best human interactions. The future of AI interviews is indeed promising. As technology continues to evolve, we may find ourselves in a world where AI interviews are the norm, not the exception. These interviews could be more efficient, consistent, and insightful than ever before, helping companies make better hiring decisions. But as we embrace this future, we must also navigate its challenges with care and consideration, ensuring that our recruitment processes are always fair, transparent, and respectful of each candidate's rights and preferences. So, as we stand on this exciting frontier of AI interviews, let's remember to balance the power of technology with the irreplaceable value of human connection. After all, it's the blend of technology and humanity that will truly revolutionize the way we hire. The future of AI interviews is indeed promising. AI interviews have the potential to revolutionize the field of recruitment. This is a powerful statement that truly encapsulates the transformative power of artificial intelligence in the hiring process. But what does this mean in practical terms? Let's dive deeper into this fascinating topic. AI interviews can lead to more efficient, consistent, and insightful interviews. Firstly, efficiency is a key advantage. Traditionally, recruiters would spend countless hours screening resumes, conducting interviews, and evaluating candidates. With AI, this process is streamlined. Recruiters can conduct multiple interviews simultaneously, saving precious time. This allows recruiters to focus on more strategic tasks, such as building relationships with candidates and making informed hiring decisions. Consistency is another major benefit of AI interviews. In traditional interviews, the evaluation process can be influenced by a recruiter's subjective opinion or unconscious bias. However, AI systems offer a level playing field. They evaluate each candidate based on the same criteria, ensuring a fair and objective assessment. This consistency can lead to more accurate hiring decisions, reducing the risk of a bad hire. AI interviews also offer insightful data that can aid in the recruitment process. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze a candidate's speech patterns, facial expressions, and body language, providing a comprehensive understanding of the candidate's communication skills, emotional intelligence, and personality traits. This data can help recruiters make more informed decisions, selecting candidates who are not only technically competent, but also a good fit for the company culture. Moreover, AI interviews can ultimately lead to better hiring decisions. With more efficient and consistent evaluation processes and a wealth of insightful data at their disposal, recruiters are better equipped to select the right candidate for the job. This can lead to improved employee performance, higher job satisfaction, and reduced turnover, benefiting both the company and the employees. However, as with any technological advancement, AI interviews also pose certain challenges. The most prominent concern is the risk of bias. AI algorithms are trained on datasets, and if these datasets contain biased information, the AI system may inadvertently perpetuate these biases. This can lead to unfair hiring practices, disadvantaging certain groups of candidates. Therefore, it is crucial to ensure that AI systems are trained on diverse and unbiased datasets. Another potential issue is the lack of human interaction in AI interviews. Some candidates may feel uncomfortable interacting with an AI system, preferring the human touch. This can affect the candidate's performance during the interview and their overall perception of the company. Therefore, it is important to strike a balance between AI and human interaction, ensuring that candidates feel comfortable and respected throughout the interview process. In conclusion, AI interviews have the potential to revolutionize the field of recruitment, leading to more efficient, consistent, and insightful interviews, and ultimately better hiring decisions. Yet, it is crucial to approach AI interviews with caution. As we continue to leverage the power of AI in the recruitment field, we must ensure that we do so in a way that is fair, transparent, and respectful of the candidate's rights and preferences. By doing so, we can harness the full potential of AI interviews, while maintaining the human touch that is so vital in the recruitment process. As with any technology, using AI in interviews requires careful consideration and thoughtful implementation. In the world of recruitment, the emergence of AI interviews has sparked a significant shift in how we evaluate potential candidates. But as we embrace this new era of technological advancement, it's crucial to address the ethics of AI interviews. How do we ensure fairness, transparency, and respect for candidates' rights and preferences? First and foremost, fairness in AI interviews is about creating a level playing field. This means ensuring that each candidate is evaluated on their merits, rather than on factors that could be influenced by bias. It's a well-known fact that AI algorithms are only as unbiased as the data they're trained on. If the data contains biases, there's a risk that these biases may be amplified in the hiring process. Therefore, it's essential to use diverse and representative data sets when training AI systems to prevent the perpetuation of existing biases. Transparency is another critical aspect of ethical AI interviews. Candidates should be aware that they're interacting with an AI system and understand how their responses will be assessed. This involves clear communication about the use of AI in the interview process and explaining how the AI system works. By doing so, we ensure that candidates can make informed decisions about participating in AI interviews. Respect for candidates' rights and preferences is the cornerstone of ethical recruitment. Some individuals may feel uncomfortable interacting with AI systems, preferring the nuances and empathy of human interaction. It's important to respect these preferences and offer alternatives where possible. This could include the option for a human-led interview or the use of AI systems that are designed to be as human-like as possible to create a more natural and comfortable interview experience. Moreover, the ethical use of AI in interviews extends beyond the interview itself. Data privacy and security are paramount. Candidates' responses and personal information must be protected and used appropriately in accordance with data protection regulations. This requires robust security measures and clear policies around data usage and retention. The subject of AI ethics also brings into focus the need for accountability. It's important to remember that while AI can assist in the recruitment process, the final decision still lies with human recruiters. AI systems should be used as a tool to aid decision-making, not replace it. This ensures that there's always a human element in the process, providing a check and balance against potential AI errors or biases. Lastly, we must consider the ongoing evolution of AI technology. As AI systems become more sophisticated, so too must our ethical considerations. Future advancements could include more nuanced analysis of emotional intelligence or personalized feedback mechanisms for candidates. As these developments unfold, we must continually reassess and refine our ethical approach to ensure that AI interviews remain fair, transparent, and respectful. In conclusion, the ethics of AI interviews is a complex and evolving issue. It requires a careful balance between leveraging the benefits of AI technology and ensuring the protection of candidates' rights and interests. By approaching AI interviews with caution and thoughtfulness, we can create a recruitment process that is not only efficient and insightful, but also ethical and respectful. With careful consideration, AI interviews have the potential to significantly enhance the recruitment process. Artificial intelligence has indeed changed the way we conduct interviews. As we've seen throughout this discussion, AI has managed to revolutionize various aspects of our lives, the recruitment process being a prime example. The convergence of human interaction and technology has given birth to AI-powered interviews, offering a unique blend of consistency, scalability, and depth in candidate evaluation. We've delved into the different forms of AI interviews, each offering its unique features and advantages. Chatbots, for instance, simulate human-like text-based conversations, providing valuable insights for recruiters while offering a seamless experience for candidates. Voice assistants take this a step further, engaging with candidates in spoken dialogues, allowing for an analysis of speech patterns, tone, and content. Then there's the video interviews, incorporating visual cues with AI algorithms analyzing facial expressions, body language, and speech patterns. For technical roles, AI presents coding challenges or technical questions, assessing solutions and providing feedback. Now, while these AI interviews offer numerous advantages over traditional interviews, they also come with their share of concerns. The key advantage of AI interviews lies in their consistency. Each candidate is assessed on the same criteria, removing human bias from the equation. This uniformity also lends to scalability, allowing recruiters to conduct interviews with a vast number of candidates efficiently. AI's ability to analyze data points that humans might overlook provides recruiters with a more comprehensive understanding of each candidate's strengths and weaknesses. However, AI interviews also raise concerns about bias and fairness. The data used to train AI algorithms can inadvertently perpetuate existing biases in the hiring process. We also need to consider the comfort of the candidates. Some individuals may feel uncomfortable interacting with AI systems, preferring the warmth of human interaction. The future of AI interviews appears promising, but it's not without its challenges. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect more sophisticated natural language processing capabilities, allowing AI systems to understand and respond to a wider range of conversational nuances. Emotional intelligence assessment may also become more prominent, with AI systems being able to analyze and interpret subtle emotional cues during interviews. Personalized feedback mechanisms could enhance the candidate experience, providing actionable insights for improvement. The impact of AI interviews on recruitment is profound. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, recruiters can conduct more efficient, consistent, and insightful interviews, leading to better hiring decisions. But it's crucial to approach AI interviews with caution, ensuring they are fair, transparent, and respectful of the candidate's rights and preferences. Ethically, it's important to remember that AI interviews should not entirely replace the human element in recruitment. While they offer efficiency and uniformity, human intuition and judgment still play a vital role in making nuanced decisions. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI, we look forward to the new ways it will shape our lives, including how we conduct job interviews. AI interviews are an exciting development in recruitment, but they require careful consideration and thoughtful implementation. With the right approach, they have the potential to transform the hiring process for the better, making it more efficient, fair, and insightful. But always remember, while AI can provide valuable insights, the final decision should always be a human one, guided by empathy and understanding.